Home Remedies presents. Just apply this on your hair roots and your hair growth will never stop. Generally, there are two types of hair problems. Some people are suffering from hair fall, while the others do not have hair fall, but they have zero hair growth. Today's remedy will solve both these problems. The remedy is super effective trick for super fast hair growth. Let's see how to make it. Ingredients: castor oil 3 teaspoons, vitamin E capsules 3, rosemary essential oil 20 drops, coconut oil 2 teaspoons. Procedure: take a small bowl and add all the ingredients in it. Mix well and your magical remedy is ready to use. If you make a bigger batch, store it in an airtight dark glass bottle in a cool dry place. Application: apply this oil on your hair roots. Massage your scalp gently for 10 to 15 minutes. Leave it overnight and wash your hair next day with mild shampoo and conditioner. For best results, apply it 3 times a week. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.